Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make time on lock screen black. First, open your device's settings application. From there, you'll want to find and tap on the wallpaper or display section, depending on your phone's operating system. This is where you can personalize the look of your device. Next, select the option to customize your lock screen. This will allow you to access the specific settings for your lock screen's appearance. Once you are in the lock screen customization menu, tap directly on the clock display. This action should bring up various options for editing its appearance. You'll then need to look for specific color or style customization options. Many devices offer a palette or a list of preset styles. Finally, select a black or a very dark color for the clock text to achieve the desired effect. After choosing your preferred black or dark color for the clock, it's crucial to confirm your selection. Make sure the change is registered before moving on. Then, look for a Done, Apply, or Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it to finalize your adjustments. Finally, lock your screen to immediately see the new black time displayed. It's a simple way to personalize your device. If you encounter any issues, some devices might require a system update to access the latest customization features. Always ensure your operating system is current. For even more extensive customization, consider exploring third-party lock screen applications available in your App Store. They often offer unique styles. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personalized lock screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.